Trussi Enterprises is a machine manufacturing company from India, situated in city of Mumbai. We also manufacture machines in China at city of Kunshan. We make slice cutting machines for adhesive tapes from 1300 mm width and 1600 mm width. A range of semi-automatic, automatic and fully automatic slice cutting machine is the range of products. This video shows 6 shafts log roll tape slice cutting machine. It has turret exchange system, suitable for high-speed slice cutting log rolls of bob packing tape, PVC insulation tape, masking tape, double-sided tape, duct tape, aluminium foil tape, etc. For any further queries or clarification, feel free to contact us at +91 9833077250. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates in adhesive tape related products.